Welcome back. Today, we're diving into the Instant Pot Duo Plus, the kitchen essential that promises to revolutionize your cooking and save you precious time. Imagine replacing 9 different appliances with just one incredible device. That's the power of its 9-in-1 functionality. From pressure cooking lightning-fast meals to slow cooking tender roasts, sautéing, making yogurt, and even sterilizing, this kitchen workhorse does it all. Beyond its versatility, the 15 customizable smart programs mean perfect results every time, taking the guesswork out of complex recipes. Whether it's a quick chili or perfectly fluffy rice, just a touch of a button gets your meal ready with unparalleled ease. Plus, the durable stainless steel inner pot ensures healthy cooking, easy cleanup, and will last for years, making it a smart investment for any home chef. This isn't just another kitchen gadget. It's the ultimate cooking solution for busy families and aspiring gourmands alike, truly making healthy meals effortless. Ready to transform your dinner ideas? You can find the Instant Pot Duo Plus with the best deals via the Amazon link in the description below. Its ability to streamline meal prep and deliver consistent, delicious results makes it an indispensable tool. For anyone looking for the best kitchen upgrade in 2025, the Instant Pot Duo Plus is an absolute must-have. Grab yours today.